This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-ups on the Brave web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Brave web browser opened up. To enable or disable pop-ups, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the three-dot menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says All Settings and tap on All Settings. Now on this page that opens up, you want to scroll down a little ways down to the General section, and in the General section right down here, block pop-ups. By default, that should be toggled on. You should be blocking pop-ups, but to disable it, you just toggle it off. Now it is disabled. But to enable pop-ups, you want to toggle this off. Now pop-ups are enabled. Now I'm going to toggle it back on. Now I am blocking pop-ups. That is how to enable or disable pop-ups on the Brave web browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.